conducting a Terry Pat. He was pushed up against the car, handcuffed immediately for officer safety.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
I got pretty roughed up, and throwing in the back, I started screaming because when he...
Hey, hi. I just got a news alert. You're the new police commissioner.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it was unexpected.
So that's the news? That's the news you wanted to tell me? Not bad at all. Congratulations, Eli. Felt for you.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Hardworking husband, 2 active kids, lots of horses, and 2 dogs. Which means I always have a pile of dirty laundry. Sweaty, stinky laundry.
Treat and help prevent another DVT or PE blood clot. Almost 98% of patients on
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Tremfya helps adults with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis get clearer, and Tremfya was proven.
And then George realized books were just a bunch of paper. And he knew where to find lots and lots of that. The recycling room was full of it. But he ran out of paper, and he still needed to cover the roof and the floor.
A comeback, we're doing back-to-school shopping with a cultural twist.
And next, is the summer heat leaving you feeling a little bit crazy? I'll tell you what, Jen is losing her mind over the huge deals they are offering at North Park Toyota. She'll show you some of those discounts on the other side of the break.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System.
A local taxi driver reveals the most unusual things he's seen in his
operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Okay, let's say
say you're looking for a loan, but the bank isn't an option, and you really hate to settle for one of those payday loans. You need a better option. And here it is, introducing a VO Credit, an easy process that offers you personal loans up to $5,000. And a VO Credit gives you more flexibility. Make regular payments or pay it off early. You're in control. Pick the loan options that work for you and apply today at a VO Credit. Climb higher.
Aids or prevents heartburn in as little as 30 minutes and lasts up to 12 hours. Zantac. Eat your way, treat your way.
Pain thinks it could overpower you. It obviously doesn't know you. Icy hot. Icy the dull, hot to relax. Rise from pain. Icy hot.
Me and Steve are both instructors in the police academy.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
We're getting dispatched to one of our area hotels where they're having trouble with a resident of the hotel. He's backed his pick.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. No action is required.